It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back today with a new series, and in this series we will be talking about business ideas. So this is the business ideas series. I will kind of break down different types of businesses that you can start, which are like pen name businesses. Really, you don't have to be the face of it. You just have to have a really good purpose in what you're doing and make it make sense, connect to your audience, and then you can make some sales. If you are new here, make sure you go subscribe, hit the notification bell wherever it may be while you're watching. Don't be skipping my ads. Watch the ads, boo, so I can get these coins, so I can keep, bring you guys great videos. So I know a lot of times you guys like to see my face or whatever. So this is just a quick introduction. And some of the businesses that I will be talking about, I wrote a list. Prayer journal business, pen business, mug business, theme. It's theme Christian verse business, one word business, sticker business, button business, and they may be a few other things. So those videos will start to roll out in October, and I hope you guys will enjoy that video as well as the podcast series. So I've been doing that as well, and I hope you are learning some information and just things that you can use in your podcast business. Again, I am not an expert. I am just teaching from my experience and making sure I can put something together for you guys. I think I'll go ahead and create a podcast checklist as well. But all business things and business related things, you can catch me on IG at Cinquanta Cox-Smith, or you can go ahead and check out Montgomery.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith for all of your courses and tutorials, whatever y'all want to call them, training. I do not do one-on-one services. You can email me, and it just depends on what type of the day it is. I normally reply within my business hours, and I normally work from 9 to 3, not on Wednesdays. So just let y'all know that, yes, I may reply to a comment on YouTube, but if it gets lengthy, I'm out. And you're going to have to send me an email because I can't. But I hope you guys are enjoying fourth quarter so far. And I want you to keep on pushing your business and stay strong out here during this pandemic. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.